For the MakeCode Minute today, what I wanted to do is create a proper dice rolling mechanism using the Circuit Playground Express inside of MakeCode. I've done some demonstrations of randomness before in the MakeCode Minute, but I wanted to do one that was a more proper a single die that has 1 through 6 as your possible numbers that you can get when you roll. So what you can see here in my MakeCode sketch is that I've got an onStart block where I create an array of numbers, and those are the 6 LEDs, the NeoPixels around the perimeter of the Circuit Playground Express that I want to light up. I didn't want to just do 6 of them in a row. I wanted to space them across the board from each other. So those are, as you can see, 0, 2, 4, and 5, 7, 9. And those are the ones that I've got lit up to start with in this little show ring. So that's the, let me do a little restart on the board. So that's what it's going to show up as in its natural state. And then here's as simple as I could get it for creating a dice roller. So what happens is when I press A, it's going to blank the board, so turn all the NeoPixels to black. Then I'm going to play a little animation, a little sparkly animation, so that we get the sense that the dice is being rolled for a little under a second. Then black the board out again. And then I'm going to run through this loop where I iterate a value, this index value, from 0 to whatever number comes up from this random. And since I'm using an index that starts at 0, it isn't 1 to 6, but it's 0 to 5. So we get a random number, and then we just light up the pixels starting at 0 on through that are in the array that we set up before. So here it is in action on the simulator. I got a 1, I got a 4, okay, and here it is on my actual board. I got a 2, I rolled a 4, I rolled another 4. Let's see, one more 4, nope, 5. So that is a really nice and simple way to set up a dice rolling randomizer using the Circuit Playground Express right inside of MakeCode. And that's your MakeCode Minute.